Guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the lists section on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application. Now as you see, here you are on the discover page. Now you can go to these three lines up here or swipe left like this, and now you will find this the lists in this list section. Now as you see, you can add new like this, and the list name, and add the list avatar and the description, and click save. So that's how to add new lists, and here you will find your lists. So that's it. Oh, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.